camera's on. Oh, what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. So today I'm gonna be solving a Rubik's Cube. So this is how I got into Rubik's Cube. So I've been like maybe 2 months ago or 1 month ago, I've been asking my dad, can you please buy a Rubik's Cube? Can you please buy a Rubik's Cube? And then he was like, yeah, and then he never bought it. But one day he came back with a lot of stuff, and then he brought 2 Rubik's Cube. My other one I did not bring, but he also bought this one, and I was really happy. I didn't even want the chips or chocolate. I was so into the Rubik's Cube. Like for one day, I was so into Rubik's Cube, and then I never used them. But then I was like, my dad bought these. Then why am I not using them? And I was like, okay, now let's learn how to do the Rubik's Cube. And then I was like, oh, okay. And then I was watching a video. So I was like, okay, now I need to do that. And then I solved the Rubik's Cube. But there was some algorithms. That's why I wrote them down, but not in a nice way. I practiced them. And then I learned the algorithms and I learned how to do a Rubik's Cube. That's how I learned how to do a Rubik's Cube. So let's get now into how we're gonna do the Rubik's Cube. Okay. If you have to achieve something, then you need to work hard for it. So guys, I have solved a Rubik's Cube, and my brother knows how to do one side, like just one side, not the whole Rubik's Cube. So we are gonna be competing each other right now on who can do the first one full side. So guys, I have shuffled my Rubik's Cube. Anyways, my brother, come on here. It's his YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So let's see.
I have done one face, so let me just shuffle it really quick.
Okay, so what side are we going to do?
Any color you want.
Okay, I'm in.
I'm in too.
I know.
So 3, 2, 1. The time begins.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And we are off to an amazing start.
Probably not. Okay, maybe. I'm gonna win this 100%.
I'm gonna win this.
You sure?
Not really. Now concentrate.
Okay.
Okay.
Holy moly, just one piece.
Me too. Oh my god.
Where is that one piece?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That moment.
That moment I knew. Oh my god.
Oh, I got it!
I got it.
He just got it.
Okay,
So
let's
cool.
do 3 more rounds. 2 more rounds.
Okay, fine. 2 more rounds. So see you guys in the next round. Okay, so I solved red and okay, so we're gonna shuffle each other's even though Azim did blue. So I'm really good at shuffling. And actually, to say the truth, my dad is a pro in shuffling.
But not shuffling.
Yeah. Okay, here, I'm done. Okay, this time I'm gonna
3,
do red
2,
again.
1, start.
Okay. This one I'm off.
Me too. So, oh my god.
2 more left.
1 more left. Oh my god.
Oh no. That last moment.
I know. Okay, now. Done.
Oh no! Wait, let me finish it. It's going to take forever for me, but I don't really care. Oh no. No.
That moment.
Where is it? This is so dumb. I'm so dumb. Okay, I finished.
At least you got something right that you got.
Okay. I solved red and he solved
White.
white. So, next round.
And the last one.
Azim solved white. I solved red. Now we both are gonna shuffle each other.
You know, guys, this I don't like actually his Rubik's Cube. Okay, this is his Rubik's Cube and that's his. I mean, that's mine. So, the reason why I don't like this is because it goes
annoying.
very fast.
Like
and it goes like.
Okay, here. It wasn't done.
Okay,
3, 2, 1,
go.
go. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is chaos.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I see when you shine.
Really? Thank you.
Not you.
Hey! You know who my uncle is?
I don't really care because we both have the same uncle.
No.
Yes.
I'm about to finish.
Where's that last one?
Done.
Oh man. That's so close. Wait. Okay, done. I solved white, he solved blue. And he won both rounds, so that means he's a pro. And he should be because he beat me in 2 rounds and I beat him in 1 round. So I'm kind of like a noob. But see you guys in the next vlog. And the reason we didn't vlog for a long distance is because I was really sick.
And if you guys want to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube, give this video a
Big
huge
thumbs up
and a huge subscribe.